I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to synchronize the vibration with the sound for notifications and for incoming calls. So when you select a certain ringtone or a certain notification tone, the vibration actually synchronizes and matches that particular ringtone or notification tone. So to do that, just go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to sounds and vibration, tap on that, and then if you scroll, you should see call vibration and notification vibration. So what you want to do first for calls, tap on that, and then go up to the list and select sync with ringtone. So that's for calls. So every time you get an incoming call, the vibration pattern will match the ringtone. Then now you can go back and then select the same for notification vibration, go all the way up and select sync with notification sound, and then you can go back. So that's basically how to synchronize vibration with sound for notifications and incoming calls on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.